Imagine you're a project manager juggling multiple clients, each with their own unique needs and expectations. How do you keep everyone in the loop, ensure deadlines are met, and maintain a high level of client satisfaction? One of the biggest challenges project managers face is effective communication with their clients. That's where a client portal can be a game changer. But does Wrike, the popular project management tool, have a client portal? Before we dive into the answer, let's quickly understand what a client portal is and why it's so important. A client portal is essentially a secure online platform that allows clients to access project information, collaborate with team members, and stay updated on project progress. It's like a digital hub that centralizes everything related to a project, making communication and collaboration more efficient and transparent. Answering the question, so, does Wrike have a client portal? The short answer is yes. Wrike offers a robust client portal feature that can significantly enhance your client communication and collaboration efforts. Key features of Wrike's client portal: real-time project visibility. Clients can easily access project information, including tasks, deadlines, and progress, providing them with a clear overview of the project status. Document sharing and collaboration. Wrike's client portal allows for seamless document sharing and collaboration. Clients can upload and share files, provide feedback, and work together with team members on project deliverables. Task management and delegation. Clients can be assigned specific tasks, track their progress, and delegate tasks to team members within the portal. This promotes accountability and ensures that everyone is on the same page. Communication and messaging. The portal provides a centralized communication hub where clients can send and receive messages, discuss project updates, and address any concerns. Customizable branding. Wrike allows you to customize the client portal with your company's branding, creating a more professional and cohesive experience for your clients. Benefits of using Wrike's client portal. Improved communication and collaboration. The portal fosters better communication and collaboration between project managers and clients, leading to smoother project execution. Increased client satisfaction. By providing clients with easy access to project information and a streamlined communication channel, you can enhance client satisfaction and build stronger relationships. Enhanced productivity. The portal helps to streamline project workflows and reduce administrative overhead, allowing project teams to focus on delivering results. Enhanced security. Wrike's client portal is designed with security in mind, ensuring that sensitive project data is protected. Additional considerations. While Wrike's client portal offers numerous benefits, it's important to consider your specific needs and requirements before making a decision. Factors such as the size of your team, the complexity of your projects, and your budget should all be taken into account. In conclusion, Wrike does indeed have a client portal that can be a valuable asset for project managers looking to improve communication and collaboration with their clients. By leveraging the features and benefits of Wrike's client portal, you can streamline your project workflows, enhance client satisfaction, and ultimately achieve greater project success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.